biological system, and that the process whereby the unconscious processes info, math, language, is not readily accessible to us, consciously that is. Thinking too is an unconscious act. Language then is a tool for explaining problems but not solving problems. Further, language is not a bioevolutionary process. Millions of mammals evolved, but there is only one who uses language. Now, here's what is interesting, to quote, "The central idea of language is that one thing can be another thing. This, to McCarthy, is language, or at least the idea of language. Hello, structuralism." But, is he talking about metaphor here? It would seem that it is not metonymy, and regardless of Sedibi's language, it is not symbol. So, metaphor, no? And it is a verbal language, right? Not written. But he does say that human vocal problems were, indeed, handled by evolutionary biology so that the throat could manufacture speech. So, there is anatomical evolution involved, but this is not his purpose, of course. Further, he goes on to argue that language meets no need, but is useful. Isn't use a need? Anyway, language arrived in the brain like a virus, but is not part of Darwinian selection. Language is not a biological system, the claim, as it were, of the piece. The concept of the language is introduced, a first language and all other born of such. Hence, the translatability of any terracentric language.